Good morning, Mom and Sir. My name is Joanna Linkaw, a 44 years old. My height is 155 centimeter. My weight is 59 kilogram. I am a college graduate in Bachelor of Arts in Cooperative. I live in Rojas, Isabela, Philippines. I'm married. I have a one son, 20 years old. My husband is a farmer. My father is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. I have a three sisters and three brothers. I am in the third in siblings. My work experience as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia on 2016 to 2019. I served there a seven members of the family. The youngest is 14 years old boy, 16 years old girl, 19 years old girl, 21 years old girl, and 23 years old boy. My daily responsibility and duties is cooking, ironing, washing clothes, car washing, gardening, and clean the whole house. And also, I work as a domestic helper in 2019 to 2023 here in the Philippines. I serve five members of the family: 3 months old baby girl, 4 years old boy, 7 years old boy. My daily and responsibilities duties is to cooking, ironing, laundering, clean the whole house, and take care the 3 months old baby. I want to go to Hong Kong to finance my son studies and to save our future sons. I hope you choose me, ma'am, because I am a trustworthy, hardworking, and patient. Thank you, ma'am, and God bless.